So chapter 16 about of media ethics at work was over ethical dilemmas. As far as a student who had just graduated and gotten the job at the place that she did her internship. So basically, there were it was a dog training camp and spa. So they took dogs in Monday through Friday and played games with them, and they groomed them and all this other stuff while their owners were at work. And so they came up with something to gain newer customers, which was a barbecue for the dogs and their owners. So there would be dog treats and different dog activities, plus there would be food for the owners as well. They came up with this, and the young lady was told to advertise it as if it were free. So on all the advertisements and all the posters and everything she made, she advertised it as free. It said free, and they were supposed to just pass these out, and it was just supposed to be just that way. However, she went to her boss and was talking about trying to pay the vendors, and her boss told her that the vendors, they didn't have enough money to pay the vendors. So she told her that instead of it being free, they would be asking for donations, and specific events inside of the barbecue or specific little tables and stations would be like the tips and training would be would have a fee for the people before they could use them. So the young lady was very, very disturbed because when you say free, free means free regardless of the situation. So of course she figured she had to go and tell the boss that's above her boss, because she didn't think that the boss above her boss knew what was going on, and she was correct, she didn't. And it basically ended up with the owner of the whole spa having to cover the costs in order for it to be free, because it was advertised as free. I feel like she did a very good job. She did what was ethically right. She had to go above who was above her, because sometimes we know the person above us isn't always right. And that stayed in line with her ethical thoughts and plans. So she did what she had to do, because it wasn't right to be telling people it was free and then charge them behind their backs.